Tired of boring, bland health foods? Let's dive into a world of delicious and nutritious snacks that will satisfy your cravings without compromising your health goals. In this video, we'll explore a variety of healthy snack ideas that are not only good for you but also taste amazing. From crunchy to creamy, sweet to savory, there's something for everyone. The science of snacking. Snacking can be a valuable part of a healthy diet. It can help maintain energy levels throughout the day, prevent overeating at meals, and provide essential nutrients. However, it's crucial to choose the right snacks. Opt for foods that are nutrient-dense, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. These foods can help you feel satisfied and energized, without sabotaging your health goals. Nutrient-dense foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while being low in calories. By choosing these types of snacks, you can fuel your body and support overall health. Avoid processed snacks that are high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and sodium. These snacks may provide quick energy, but they can lead to weight gain, increased risk of chronic diseases, and other health problems. Fruit and vegetable powerhouses. Why fruits and veggies are great snacks. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Low in calories and high in water content, keeping you hydrated. Aid in digestion and promote a healthy gut. Snack ideas. Fruit skewers. Thread chunks of your favorite fruits onto skewers. Vegetable sticks with hummus. Cut up carrots, celery, and bell peppers and dip them in hummus. Fruit salad. Combine a variety of fruits like berries, melon, and grapes. Nutty and seed. Why goodness? Why nuts and seeds are great snacks. Good source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Can help regulate blood sugar levels. Packed with antioxidants. Snack ideas. Trail mix. Combine nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Nut butter on apple slices. Spread almond butter or peanut butter on apple slices. Nut butter and celery sticks. Pair celery sticks with almond butter or peanut butter. Dairy delights. Why dairy is a great snack. Provides protein and calcium for strong bones and muscles. Can help regulate blood sugar levels. Snack ideas. Yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, berries, and granola in a glass. Cottage cheese with fruit. Mix cottage cheese with berries or peaches. Cheese and crackers. Pair cheese with whole grain crackers. Homemade treats. Why homemade treats are better. You control the ingredients and sugar content. Can be tailored to your dietary needs and preferences. Snack ideas. Energy balls. Combine dates, nuts, and oats into balls. Granola bars. Make your own granola bars with oats, nuts, seeds, and honey. Fruit leather. Dehydrate fruit slices into a chewy snack. By choosing these healthy snacks, you're fueling your body with essential nutrients and satisfying your cravings in a healthy way.